I'm currently disconnected. This is Let's Make Stuff. Join me on a quest to make some Shredder Gauntlets. Music!
Okay, for this build, you will need the following quest items. Once you've acquired these items, we can begin. First things first, print out your template and start tracing it out on your 4 to 6mm thick foam. Once you've traced them out, it's time to cut them out. Now I've given these a little heat up and bend. Now it's time to glue them together. I'm going to use some contact adhesive here. Nice and easy. That contact adhesive should be tacky, so it should just stick right together. Now I want you to glue on these pieces of Velcro and backpack strap like your life depended on it. And it's onto the sharp pointy bits. Now you might notice here that I've got a little extra bit at the bottom of the template, and that's for my cardboard and paper viewers. And also it helps you work out how many spikes you want and where you want to put them. I went for 7 on each side, and that works out to 14 in total. 14 of these spikes. Takes an awful long time to cut out. Nice work, mate. Now here's a close-up of my hair while I sharpen these things with a Dremel. There we go, nice close-up of 1 of 14 spikes that you'll have to shape and then glue together. Just remember to be careful here. Only put glue where you want to put the spike. Now, putting a bit of trim on the sides here. And that's just a little bit of V-shaped foam that I've cut out. Put around the edges there. Sort of ties the whole piece together. Hey, thanks for watching. Now here I'm using a V-groove cutter to make some trim. And that came from Brian Buell from Logan Graphics Products Incorporated. Thanks for that, Brian. I like these cost tools. Very cool. And here we're just gluing on those bits of trim. Once we're happy with how that looks, I'm going to move on to the final 4 spikes of speciality. Those daggers of dismay. I'm going to sharpen those bad boys up, stick them on, and it's the final quest. Add some PLASTIDIP, 2 coats, it's my preference. And then we're going to put on some spray, silver enamel acrylic, and before you know it, Shredder Gauntlets.
Shredder Gauntlets unlocked.
So there you go, your very own Shredder Gauntlets unlocked for your enjoyment. Be sure to check me out next time when I make something else on Let's Make Stuff. Remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Because sharing is caring. See you next time.